Welcome. If you've ever missed out on important conversations because you accidentally muted notifications for a group in Messenger, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through the quick and easy steps to unmute notifications for any group in Messenger, so you never miss a message again. This guide is fully updated, so you can follow along with confidence. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Once you're in, take a moment to scan through your chat list and find the group conversation that you want to unmute. It might be your family group, a work project chat, or a group of friends planning your next hangout. Once you've found the group, tap to open the conversation. Now, focus your attention at the very top of the screen. You'll see the name of the group, Chat Go Ahead, and tap on it. This will open up the group settings, where you can customize how you receive notifications and other options. Next, look for the section labeled Notifications and Sounds. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a new screen dedicated to all things notifications for this group. At the very top, you'll see a switch or toggle button. If your group is currently muted, this switch will be off. Simply tap the switch to turn it on. You might see it change color or slide to the right, confirming that notifications are now unmuted. That's it. You've successfully unmuted notifications for your Messenger group. From now on, you'll get alerts whenever someone sends a message in that group, so you can stay up to date and never miss out on the conversation. If you ever want to mute or customize your notifications again, just repeat these steps. Messenger makes it easy to control how and when you're notified, so you can focus on what matters most. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.